Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power lift gate, dual airbags, air conditioning, 4-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, electronic stability control, heated front seats, fog lights, CD player. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.